Hey everyone, in this video I'll just show you how you can push your Docker image to the AWS ECR, okay? And this is one playlist of Docker. If you want to learn from scratch, you can just go through it. And yeah, let's begin now. So the very first thing what you have to do is that you have to just search for the ECR, okay? And you will come upon this particular service. So here you need to create one repository. So let's just click on create and give any namespace. You can just give, consider it as a environment, okay? So for example dev, and repo I can give the name as backend. And image tag mutability means mutable. That means if you're uploading the image with the same tag, so that it should be overwritten, okay? So yeah, I will keep everything as it is and I will just create a repository. So once repository is done, you will select that repo and here you will see one view push command, okay? So this command you need to first of all run it, but before that you need to configure your AWS, okay? So for that you should do AWS configure, but before that I'll just show you. Here I have one image and API latest, it is the image in my local here. So but before that let's just configure the AWS configure. Okay, so here we need to first install the AWS CLI. If you also don't have, you can just install it. So once the install is done, we need to just do AWS configure and you need to use your secret key and the access key, so that you can just create in your IAM user and then you get option. So already I have here those details, so I can just do copy and paste, but in your case you need to basically create it from the IAM, okay? So once it is done, we can just do, yeah, let's do the AWS configure. And let me just paste access key ID I need to paste. So here access key is this one and the secret key is this one. And don't worry, it won't work for you, it will be destroyed in just 1 hour. Okay, default username none, I will just give, okay, that's fine. Now what I will do, let's just basically use this particular command, okay? So this one you will write and you will see login succeeded, okay? And after that what you have to do is that you need to build the image with this particular tag, but what in our case already we have this one. If you just do the docker images, so here you will see we have API latest. So but after that what you have to do is that you need to basically tag it. So to tag you need to use this particular command, and instead of dev backend what you have to do is that you have to basically write here your image name, that is the API, and the tag is latest, okay? So once it's done, yeah, okay, so I will just need to use sudo here, okay? So if I again just do the sudo docker images, so you will see this one is the like tagged on, and image ID you can see it's same, okay? After that what you have to do is that you have to basically push it. So you can just push it like this using sudo docker push, and here you can see something push access is denied. Okay, there is some issue with my user, let me just check. Okay, we can just try this one. We'll give the reason name here. So reason is US East 1, okay? So now if I try, okay, still it's showing. Let's just run this command again, that login one. Here we need to give sudo. Now if I just try, yeah, now it's working, because in my case the docker is running as some normal no, as a root user. I'm using basically sudo, that's why. So now you can see the image is pushed, and if I just go here and check, so you can see the latest and okay, which one it is? Latest tag only, right? So you can see this is the image, and if I just go back, and if you want to use this image somewhere, you can just copy the URI. So if I will show you URI, so this is the URI basically, and this you can use in your YAML file or anywhere you want to use. If I just show you another example, and if you want to just basically uh, tag to some v1 here, and if we again try to push this v1, so you will see it already exists because we have not changed anything in the image. Okay, so okay, this is the solution which I was looking just for. Now let's just reload it. Okay, not this one. Let me just go in the repositories in the backend. So here you will see latest comma v1, because we have not, no, we have changed nothing. It's the same image but just different tags. Okay, so yeah, in this way you can just upload your images to the Docker Hub. Okay, so that's it for this video, and if you have anything you can just ask me in the comments. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.